Hello, friends. You might be wondering what I was doing in that hole. Well, that is one of my usual tricks to find something new. And guess what? I find today a bag of 5 senses. Come, let's see what's inside. Wow, these are the 5 senses: sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of taste, sense of touch. These are the eyes. It helps us to see. You are using them right now while looking at me. Amazing, isn't it? Your eyes helps us to see. The- These are the ears. They help you to hear. Do you hear that wonderful music? Isn't it? Or your ears helps you to hear. So whenever you hearing beautiful things like birds chirping or a car blowing its horn, you know its sense of hearing. Oh, I smell something. Is it coming from a garbage bin outside? This is your nose. It helps you to smell different things. It could be something stinky, like a garbage, or something delicious. A mug of hot chocolate. Yummy. This is your tongue. It helps you to taste different kinds of foods. Burn, that's a pizza. Yummy. Whether spicy, sour, sweet, mmm, bitter. Ugh. You know it all because of sense of taste. And this is your skin. It helps to touch and feel things. When you touch clay and wood, do you feel different to you? Does the clay seem soft to you? Wood seems rough. Your skin helps to know whether is it hot or cold, liquid or solid, soft or hard. Remember King Midas, who was cursed that his touch turns everything in gold. But don't worry, this is not gonna happen with you guys. Now, here I have an assessment for you guys. Learn the spellings of 5 senses. And I have an activity for you. So, first of all, you have to set up a table with the 5 things. Show which sense you use to identify the thing. Take a picture and send it. It seems interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed a lot. Stay safe. Goodbye.